In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add passcode lock on Zoho Books Mobile. This is essential for protecting sensitive financial data, such as invoices, client information, and banking details. To do this, simply head to Zoho Books. You want to tap on More right here. Here, select Settings. You will then head to the option of Privacy and Security. Now head to the first option of Passcode Lock. Here, tap on Turn Passcode On. Now enter your preferred passcode. Go ahead and re-enter to confirm. Your passcode will get enabled successfully. Now down below, select the duration you want for the passcode to be required when you close the app. Well, that's how easy it is to enable passcode lock on Zoho Books mobile app. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.